All right, let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why C programmers are the rock stars of 2025 and 2026? Here are 5 reasons why C programmers are hotter than ever. Reason 1, performance is king. C is known for its unparalleled performance in a world where speed matters more than ever. From gaming to high-frequency trading, companies need that raw power. And guess what? C delivers. Reason 2, legacy systems need love. So many critical systems still run on C. From banking systems to embedded devices, C code is everywhere. Maintaining and upgrading these systems requires expertise, and that's where C programmers shine. Reason 3, versatility. Whether it's operating systems, compilers, or even modern applications, C is everywhere. Its versatility means that companies can deploy C programmers in various projects, making them incredibly valuable. Reason 4, the IoT boom. The Internet of Things is exploding. Smart devices, wearables, and even smart home gadgets rely on efficient, low-level code. C is the go-to language for these devices because of its efficiency and control over hardware. Reason 5, a foundation to build on. Learning C provides a solid foundation for other languages. If you can master C, picking up C++, Java, or even Python becomes easier. This adaptability makes C programmers versatile assets in any tech team. So, if you're a C programmer, pat yourself on the back. You're not just surviving, you're thriving in 2024. And if you're considering learning C, there's no better time than now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep coding.